Okay guys, hopefully I'm recording now. Just had a little bit of a problem with my audio. I did the entire building of the follower, and turns out my audio isn't working. I like to have audio. So if you recall, picking back up, I'm going to rebuild the follower here and constrain those. Pretty straightforward. This is where I was at the end of my last video. I believe if I leave a gap, please make a comment and I'll fix it. But I'm going to go ahead and design a follower that goes up through this hole and connects to these cams. So I'm going to go new, and I'm going to go create, and I'm going to create a follower. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and put a circle here, right here. 0.25. Finish it. I'll extrude that 3 inches. It's going to be the length of my follower. That will certainly differ by anybody. I'm going to put a little shoe on the bottom of it. Click on my origin here, and let's see. I suppose I can do it on that real easy. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a line. I'll go over 0.15. And then, okay, I'll put another line. I'm going to connect to my line I just drew. Probably an easier way to do this, but 0.15. Enter. I'm going to go an arc, and I'm going to go from that point to that point, and just doing that by eye. I'm going to go ahead and finish that sketch, then I'm going to extrude that out, and I'm going to extrude that, I'm going to go up from the middle, I'm going to go out 0.2, and that'll be the bottom of my follower. I'm going to change that to 0.4, or 0.3. Yeah, that looks nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a plane to help me with my constraints. So offset from a plane, and I'm not actually going to offset from the plane, but I'm going to use that plane. Check. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and save it as save as, and I'll call it cat ring follower. IPT, I'll save. Yes, I'll replace that one. And I'm going to go ahead and go back here and insert them. So I'll place cat ring follower. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll hit OK. Okay, so constraining these in now. I'll constrain a couple, and then I'll finish up. I'll pause it to finish up. I'm going to constrain that to that. I have a 0 offset, so it's actually there. Hit OK. Now, critical to that, I'm going to go ahead and constrain this work plane to the work plane that goes through the center of my cam. This one right there. Hit apply. Okay, so now it's there. Now I need to make it constrained to the cam. So now I'm going to do constraint transitional, and I'm going to touch the part that is free to move, and then the part that does that. So I do the bottom of the follower, and then the outside of the cam, and I'll hit apply. And if you take a look at what that does, that will make the follower stay in contact with the cam. The gravity will do for us. I'll go ahead and do another one real quick. I'm going to constrain that one to the center of that hole. I'll go up here and offset 0. Then that work plane with, turn this a little bit so I can see that one, and this gets a little, so apply, move this around a little bit, and then I'm going to constrain the bottom with a transitional again, transitional to that, and hit apply, cancel. I want to pause and finish up these other 5, and then I'll come back to it. Okay, I'm back. So now I've constrained this in, and let's see. So if you take a look at it, you can see the top has a wavy motion. Certainly I could play with the angles on the cams to make that do whatever I wanted to. I just arbitrarily chose 20 degrees because I'm trying to do this as a proof of concept, but that will do that. Now for the caterpillar, I'm going to go ahead and build a caterpillar head and put it on here real quick. Let's see how much time I have. Actually, I'm going to stop this here and I'll do the next video. I'll put on caterpillar heads.